ఓం శ్రీ మహాగణాధిపతయే నమః. హరి ఓం శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. వెల్కమ్ టు ఈక్షా ఛానల్. శుభోదయం. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టు ఈక్షా వ్యూయర్స్. We will know about Chaturanga Balas now. Chaturanga Balas means the fourfold strength of kings. Ratha, Gaja, Turaga, Padati, Dalas. They are called as Chaturanga Balas of kings. The four sorts of fighting groups. According to Kautilya's Arthashastra, a state should have a fourfold army, Chaturanga Bala, namely infantry, cavalry, elephant and chariots. And each of these parts also should have one capable concerned leader, Adhyaksha. These huge armies were led by the army general in war normally. Kings were war-loving and war was like a festival for them, especially in the olden days. Sometimes they used to fight for the sake of their own pride and greatness. Sometimes they have to fight when enemy kings come and occupy, ride on them. Beating of war drums was an interesting thing in battle normally. So our national epics, Srimad Ramayana, Mahabharata, and several other granthas like Mathura Vijayam, etc. speak of Chaturanga Balas of the kings. Whenever kings fight with other kings, either for the protection of their kingdom or with the wish of expanding their kingdom, they fight with the help of fourfold army. Our ancient Indian military system of that time, it was so enriched with this sort of forces that lakhs of army, Chaturanga Balas, they used to possess. The four divisions were Ratha means chariots, Gaja means elephants, Turaga means horses, and Padati Dala means foot soldiers. So Padati Dala, the foot soldiers hold spear, Ballemu we say in hand, or sword, and a shield, Dalu we say, for protection, and fight with enemies. They fight with Padati Dalas only. The warrior on the back of a horse fights with the enemies on horseback. Horse riders only. So those horses also were so brave, and their masters were their masters, wherever they want them to go and fight, these horses will take them towards that direction. So in the fightings, even the horses and elephants were also killed automatically. Sometimes when the master of a horse, the Yajamani, becomes weak or might have fallen down in the war or something while fighting, then the horses, they used to take their masters to a safety place. The war horses and war elephants would be given suitable training so that they also fight in the war with courage and bravery. On the elephants, a warrior sits and fights with the enemies, and these elephants would have Mavatis, those who ride them, control them. The elephants also fight in the battle with their trunks and feet, killing many enemy soldiers. People sitting on the chariots would fight with the people sitting on the chariots, and the chariot would be driven by a charioteer. The chariot remained the most auspicious limb of this sort of epic era, playing a decisive part in the battlefield, in battle. So the Mahabharata Kurukshetra war was the greatest war in the history of mankind, where total 18 Akshauhinis of soldiers fought and were killed. Many of our kings of different kingdoms used to fight mutually several times for several causes. King Purushottama fought with Alexander, the Greek king who came there to our India to occupy our motherland. then Chandragupta Maurya, Sri Krishnadevaraya, Mughal kings, then Ashoka Chakravarti, and also Shivaji, Chhatrapati Shivaji, then Chola kings, Chalukya kings, several Rajaputra Vamshasthas. They fought several times with the help of Chaturanga Balas. All these four were used effectively in the olden days at the time of war fightings. Chariots were an essential part of warfare, providing mobility and force power in the battlefield. War elephants were used for their strength, size and intimidation factor, often playing a crucial role in battle. The horses were vital for their speed, agility and bravery, allowing quick attacks and strategic movements. We know the bravery and timely wisdom of the horses like Chetak, etc. in the war. Foot soldiers were the backbone of our Indian armies, providing a steady and reliable force on the battlefield. The four branches worked together to create a formidable military force, each contributing their unique strengths and capabilities. Now, at this modern age, people are fighting with modern equipments, using bombs on the sky, in the waters and on the ground, utilizing modern technology, very big guns and machines, taking the help of artificial intelligence also, along with Manava Methas. Our intelligent, along with our intelligence also, along with the help of satellite also. This Operation Sindoor is of such type of war, the pride of our Indians. Swasti.